Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I have this hat hanger here, and I'm super excited to share it with all of you guys. So let me go ahead and take it out of this box here. Let's see everything that you get. So you do get wall anchors and screws here, so you can screw this in if you do want to put it up that way, which is really nice. It's nice that you guys get that. Alright, go ahead and take everything up. Here you guys go. And here it is. It's a nice compact design. Something to note is that if you don't want to hang it via the screws, it does have an adhesive backing here. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and put this up on the wall, and then we'll go ahead and put some hats in it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put it right here. I actually wanted to install my door so the adhesive is perfect for the installation. Now I have some hats here. This holds up to 10 hats, which is really, really nice. I'm going to show you guys real quickly though how to put your hat on here, and then we'll put some more hats on. But let's start with one. So just got a fitted style Yankees hat. This is a World Series hat. So really cool hat. Go ahead and press in the back part of it. We'll go ahead and take the button right here, slide it through right there, and you guys are all done. You're good to go. It's not going to come off or anything like that. I'm going to open and close the door, and it's good to go. Let's go ahead and put a couple more on here quickly just to show you guys that it's really easy. Go ahead and just press this in, and then say you want to stack one on top of it. You would just simply press that in, and there you guys go. We can continue to do this all the way up, just like that. Go ahead and take another hat here, just so you get an idea. You can even put a hat up here, but you guys can see you just stack them up. There's 10 up, and you're all good to go. So overall, I absolutely love this, and I highly recommend it to all of you out there.